Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a plan with me in my ERIN CONDREN life planner, and the kit I'm using today is called White Christmas from Paper Crown Planner. This kit comes with 6 8.5 by 11 pages of full stickers. I did not end up using all of them because it's just too many for me. One of the pages had glitter headers, and one of the pages had the headers with the words on it, like today or to do. I don't really like using those ones, so I went ahead and used the glitter ones. Now, as usual, I'm going in with my washi first, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my date covers and use some foil date dots. Flipped back to last week just to make sure that I liked the layout once again that I've been doing. I'm putting the check boxes on the bottom, putting the decorative boxes in the middle with the glitter headers, and then putting my appointments or important things to remember on the top. I'm still happy with how this looks, so I'm still going to keep going with it until I get sick of it. I'm going to go in with my decorative boxes, but I just wanted to take a second to say, look at how beautiful these stickers are. I am so impressed with this kit. This is probably one of my most favorite ones that I'm going to use for the Christmas season, and it'll probably be a reprint for me next year as well, just because I really like this one. I like the pictures. I like the colors. The colors did come out a little bit brighter than what they were on my screen when I was purchasing the kit, but I'm totally okay with that because I still really love them. It's so calming, and I just find it brings me joy rather than creating anxiety like this season can tend to do quite often with the busyness and the expenses that everybody has, spending money on gifts and whatnot. Starting in January, I've decided to go ahead and use the Recollections planner instead of ERIN CONDREN. From what I understand, they're quite similar in size, but to be honest, I really was just after saving a little bit of money, and I couldn't justify spending the amount of money on a planner that I usually do because, like I've mentioned before, or you may have seen my video, that we're trying to budget, we're trying to pay down some debt, and I want to cut costs anywhere I can. But planning is such a big part of my life. I love it. It keeps me organized, but I also really love making videos too. So it's important that I do have a planner, but ERIN CONDREN is just way too expensive. Does anybody else feel that way? I know that Recollections has kind of become a lot more popular, and Happy Planner is popular as well, but I didn't like Happy Planner. So if you have experience with Recollections, I would love for you to let me know what they are. Do you love it? Did you go back to ERIN CONDREN, or did you go back to Happy Planner? Okay, so now I'm going to jump into putting my appointments on the top, or important things to remember, and we'll start with my work schedule. Like last week, I'm only working Monday and Tuesday this week because it's the holiday season. I have something going on Sunday in my mosque, so I cannot work. I'm also going to film, edit, and upload Monday as opposed to filming and editing on Sunday, which I usually do when I'm at work, and then I upload on Mondays, but because Sunday's a busy day for me. I am going to a cash flow planning seminar on Wednesday with one of my cousins. We both run our own businesses, and we thought it was such a cool opportunity. Like usual, I'm going to meal plan and grocery shop on Saturday, but because I'm busy Sunday, I'm also going to be doing as much prep as I can. My sweater that I was knitting last week, the first sleeve is done, but I'm a little sick of the sweater, so I'm going to start a hat this week. I need a new one. The ones that I've made in the past, I've kind of just worn them out. So I'm going to look for a new pattern and start a new one. Sunday, we are busy, like I said, with mosque in the morning, but in the evening, my friend is hosting a sushi party where she's hired a professional sushi chef. So that should be lots of fun. Friday is something else in mosque. It is, I want to say like our Christmas, but it's not. That's the best way that I can describe it. Wednesday, I have to submit my liquor order, like always. So it is, and it's ending up being quite a busy week. Lots of things to do. I'm also on my sidebar going to put a Instagram schedule for the liquor store. I'm trying to grow that. Follow us if you want. It's Riviera Liquor Store. We're based out of Alberta, so if you're not in Alberta, you don't have to. But if you are, I would love to have you follow us. I'm trying to post more things, more specials, more products that we have that are unique to us. The Alberta liquor market is really saturated with a ton of stores, and I'm just trying to set myself apart. So yeah. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Did you notice my new lighting? I think I'm actually really happy with it. I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel, and if you feel like it, go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.